What's up guys, Whitaker here from Grind City Media, and tonight we're gonna make the king of weeknight dinners, chicken wings. Now, there's a million places you can order chicken wings from, and pretty much anywhere you order them from, you're gonna get them deep fried, tossed in a lot of sauce. When I make them at home, I like to put them on the grill, get them crispy on the outside, and maybe put some sort of glaze, something on it to give it a little flavor, but I try to keep it pretty simple, and that's what we're gonna do tonight. They're easy to make, we're gonna make them from scratch. Let's do cooking with Lang right now. Today we are making teriyaki chicken wings. So tonight we're doing whole wings. I know sometimes people like flats, some people like the drumsticks. I like them both, and this way you get your choice. Right now I'm just taking a knife and kind of puncturing these guys, so when they're on the grill, the fat has a place to kind of run out. And for right now, there's a place to get a little bit of flavor into the wings while the grill heats up and the fire gets going, and it's gonna be pretty simple. I like to do kind of an Asian wing. I have some teriyaki sauce I found in the fridge, so I'm gonna put a little bit of soy sauce on this right now. This is probably a tablespoon and a half, 2 tablespoons. And I'm gonna stir it around a little bit just to kind of get a little bit of a salt flavor in there, a little umami. And then while the grill heats up and gets going, I'm just gonna leave it right here. These have been in the refrigerator for like 2 days. They're ice cold, so let them get a little bit closer to room temperature before they go on the grill. They'll be fine sitting here 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and then we're gonna get them on the grill. Okay, the grill's ready. The wings have been sitting here marinating. We're ready to go. I'm gonna put them on the grill. They're gonna cook for like 30, 35, 40 minutes. I'll check their temperature, and then when they're done, we'll finish them off. Putting the heat's over there. I'm putting them on this side because I don't want them to burn. This way I'll put the lid on. It's almost like being in an oven, and it'll have that charcoal flavor. The chicken's on the grill, and while it is, I'm gonna get ready for the end of it. This is cilantro. I'm gonna keep these leaves mostly kind of whole. The stems of cilantro have so much flavor, you don't have to throw them away if you cut them super finely like this. And we can sprinkle those in there when it's all done. And then we'll put some scallions too. I mean, anytime you can put basically green stuff on food when it's done, it's gonna look better. And this is all stuff that tastes really good too. So these guys I'm gonna kind of slice this way. So we get like big pieces. One other thing is teriyaki sauce. I bought some kind of in a bottle at the grocery store, the glaze. I added to it some ginger pieces, a little garlic powder, a little hot sauce. Just stuff that you like, just make it your own. You don't have to just use what comes in the bottle. We're gonna put this on the chicken after about 20 minutes and start to get that flavor in there. If you put it on now, it would burn. There's a lot of sugar in teriyaki sauce. We're gonna wait a little bit and then put it on toward the end. One of the things I use almost every single night when I cook is one of these thermometers. It's got a little thing that comes out, you stick it in, you can check the temperature. So the best way to make sure your food is cooked, not cooked, whatever. I use it every time when I cook outside. Basically, I'm gonna use it right now on these wings to see what temperature we have. They've been on here about 20 minutes. Like, that's basically done. So the ones in the back might be a little less done, yeah, a little colder, but they're 160, 161. 165 is done, so we're good. So now we're gonna start putting on the sauce and getting them on top of the fire and crisping them up basically. They're gonna go on the fire only for a couple of minutes, and I'm gonna keep a kind of close eye on these. There's, like I said, a lot of sugar in this sauce, so I don't want them to burn. We're gonna put them kind of skin side down, flat side down, and I think probably 2-3 minutes are gonna be good. These guys are pretty much good to go. I'm gonna put them back on the flame just for a second. Get a little more color on the back side of them because they're a little bland looking. But for the most part, I think we're good. This is where it's not really a science, it's more like artistic. You gotta just do it enough times and burn enough of them to know what you're doing. All right, we're ready to go. These guys have been off the grill, they've been rested a little bit. I'm gonna plate it up, make it look nice and pretty for my guests, AKA my camera person and my son. I'm gonna put a little bit more of the sauce in there just to kind of give stuff some stick to it. Make these nice and sticky and sweet, salty and good. Sesame seeds. I'm gonna sprinkle some in. I'm gonna put in all that pretty green stuff. Okay, toss it around a little bit. And then I'll come over here. I almost just stepped on my dog. Stick them all over the place. Now we get to eat the best part. I'm gonna cut it open and get the flat, which I like. You don't have to cut it, you can use your hands. It's sticking in my hand, it's gonna be awesome. I can't really talk, it's so good. I taste the charcoal, I taste the burn sauce, which is burned in a good way. All the freshness of the green stuff, the soy flavor, the sugar. I mean, you get a little bit of everything. A little sweet, sour, acid. There's a little bit of hot sauce in there. It's good. You can see how moist it is inside there. Like, it's perfectly cooked. It's easy to do. You don't have to call out next time you want wings. Make them yourself. It's Cooking with Lang. You can do it too. Do it.